How to make keto halloumi salad with mint dressing. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 10-ounce halloumi cheese, 1 cup full-fat plain Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup fresh mint, chopped, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic, chopped, salt and pepper to taste, 10 ounces mixed greens, 1 medium lemon. The preparation: 1. Gather and prep all ingredients. 2. In a bowl, combine Greek yogurt, fresh mint, fresh garlic, olive oil, and salt and pepper. Stir until combined well and set aside. 3. Put the halloumi cheese into a non-stick frying pan without oil or butter. Fry on medium heat for 2 to 4 minutes. Apply pressure to the middle of the cheese before flipping to ensure the middle of the cheese is getting cooked. 4. Flip the halloumi cheese over and do the same to this side until the cheese is golden brown in color. Remove from the frying pan carefully. 5. Put mixed greens into a serving bowl and add the halloumi cheese on top. Squeeze the lemon on top and serve with the mint dressing. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of keto halloumi salad with mint dressing. Each serving comes out to be 354 calories, 25.8 grams fat, 7.1 grams net carbs, and 22.7 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.